5 Best Coconut Oil Pulling Benefits for Teeth and How to Use it. Coconut oil pulling benefits for teeth and how to guide. Every house of India owns coconut oil, coconut cream or many other forms of coconut. Most of you are aware of its skin-related benefits, but how many of you know that coconut oil works wonder for your teeth as well? It has been proved that coconut works way better than a toothpaste for protecting your gums and teeth. Today I am going to tell you a coconut oil pulling technique that can work amazingly for your teeth. 1. Healthy gums and teeth. Coconut oil pulling is a technique which has gained a lot of popularity in USA recently. It is best way for detoxifying your mouth with the coconut oil. You just need to take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and start swishing in your mouth for about 10–15 minutes. It was primarily used in Ayurvedic medicines. But now the world is seeing its magic. It works by cleaning the oral cavity from your mouth as dish cleaner cleans dishes. 2. Kills bad breath. This technique has the power to kill those bad bacteria and other germs that are responsible for your bad breath. No one likes bad breath, and it might be one of the reasons of embarrassing situation among friends and family as well. 3. Whitens teeth. Coconut works as a teeth whitening too. If you are suffering from dark yellow stains on your teeth, then you need to take 1 tablespoon coconut oil and mix it with baking soda and apply onto your teeth and leave for 15–20. Regular usage is required to see the best result. 4. Strengthen gums and jaws. Coconut oil pulling techniques helps to strengthen the gums and jaws by cleaning the toxins from your mouth and creates healthy oral toxic-free environment in your mouth, which also contributes in proper flow of dental liquids. 5. Say bye to cracked lips and bleeding gums. Daily usage of coconut oil pulling techniques helps in healing the cracked lips and gives you the soft and supple lips that you always desire. Most of the lips balms have chemicals in it which can very cruel to your lips, as it is most delicate area of skin. A natural-based lip balm has coconut oils in it. So start using coconut oil pulling technique to make your teeth and lips healthy as never before. It helps to soothe your gums and removes all the toxins from it.